Two global payroll powerhouses go head-to-head. The question is, which one really delivers? On the left, ADP, the enterprise-grade HR and payroll giant trusted by 1 in 6 U.S. employees. On the right, Remote, the modern solution for borderless teams, managing payroll in 180-plus countries. Let's skip the buzzwords and see how these platforms actually compare. We'll rate them across every key category. And by the end, the scores will show you who comes out on top. And trust me, the winner for 2025 might just surprise you. Here's our mind map for today. We're comparing ADP and Remote on 6 crucial categories: pricing, global reach, app and user experience, features and integrations, user reviews and reputation, and compliance and security. Ready? Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with pricing. So ADP, honestly, unless you love asking for a quote over email and playing the wait for a custom offer game, it might feel old school here. You do get different tiers though, so there's that flexibility. But if you're a small business, it can get pricey. And there's just no price list out front. Now Remote, listen, this is where things get transparent. All their plans are public, starting at $50 a month for contractors. No sticker shock, no mystery. Only catch, employer of record is $5.99 per employee monthly. Still, I mean, it's all in the open, so you know what you're getting. Honestly, Remote keeps it way more accessible. Next up, global reach. ADP is kind of a legend here, covering over 140 countries. They're built for complex compliance, big global companies. But setup can feel sluggish if you're a smaller player. Remote, though, takes it up a notch. Contractors in 180 countries, onboarding in just a couple days, and 0 onboarding or deposit fees. That's impressive. If you care about getting people paid fast, Remote is just speedy. Now, let's talk app and user experience. ADP, the OG, millions of app users, high mobile ratings, 4.7 stars on iOS and 4.4 on Android. Still, some folks call the interface a bit old school. Almost nostalgia vibes. Remote, on the other hand, their iOS app actually scores a perfect 5 out of 5. But, heads up, there aren't a ton of ratings yet. The real draw is it just feels more modern and intuitive. You'll notice it if you care about fresh design. So, Remote takes this one. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Remote manages payroll across 180-plus countries, while ADP literally handles paychecks for 1 out of every 6 U.S. employees? That's some serious global reach. Jumping to features and integrations. With ADP, it's basically a Swiss Army knife for HR. Payroll, taxes, recruitment, e-learning, the works. Automated compliance tools and all the paperwork like I-9 and W-4 e-sign, plus even background checks. But weirdly, no built-in expense reimbursement. Remote, super global, compliant contracts for everyone, and they do have expense reimbursement and one-click approvals. Their API game is strong, security baked in, but when you compare the depth of their HR features, ADP still edges them out for big, complex companies. User reviews and reputation. This one's a bit spicy. ADP serves like 1 out of 6 U.S. employees. Seriously, it's everywhere. But check Trustpilot and ouch, 1.4 out of 5? That's a lot of support drama. Remote, by comparison, gets cheered for their friendly, responsive support and rocks a 4.6 out of 5. Some rare payroll accuracy gripes, but overall, people seem legit happy with Remote. Finally, compliance and security. Both ADP and Remote come with some heavy credentials here. ADP's got years of experience handling gnarly tax and labor regulations worldwide. But sometimes old tech means onboarding can trip you up. Remote leans into modern security and localized benefits, equity, the works. Honestly, it's neck and neck. Both are serious about compliance. Let's recap with a quick look at the radar chart. Remote comes out on top for pricing, global reach, app experience, and reviews. ADP still claims features and integrations, while compliance is basically a tie. So, if you're keeping score, Remote's a bit ahead overall. So what's my honest take? If you're a huge established enterprise with complex HR setups and you crave those deep integrations, ADP just makes sense. But if you're a startup, scaling up, or building a distributed team, Remote is honestly the better pick. Fast, transparent, global, right out of the box. Want more expert tech breakdowns like this? Hit follow so you never miss a global payroll comparison. And be ready for our next deep dive.